Hello! Today I just want to share with you something very personal and a fun project. You know, during these years, my husband likes to create some installations to surprise me in the morning, like this one with fruits. Or these other ones with spoons. Or these other ones with my shoes that I left all under my bed and I came home and I found them like this. So I would like to challenge you and see if you can create a little installation to surprise your family in the morning. Could be with simple things, could be with little toys, could be with anything you have around. Be creative, make it simple and safe, and bring a smile to somebody at your house. Or send a picture to a friend with the installation that you created. So I'm going to show you a few more, but there is no wrong way you can do this. Just have fun and enjoy the process. And be a very creative artist on these installations. Have a great time and don't forget to post some on Instagram and Facebook of our page or email us and I will be more than happy to post it for you. Till next week, have fun with it!